All right, guys, 2010 Nissan Altima two-door coupe, 4-cylinder, factory converter there, secondary converter there. Then we ran 2.5 all the way back. You guys can see. And then he brought his own Evil Energy muffler. Today's Evil Energy Day. Right there. There it is, burnt tip. Here's the part number on it, guys. Right there, made in China. China.
You go over to China. You take China. China. I love them. China.
Anyways, right there. Evil Energy and 2.5-inch pipe. Look at that, clean welds, clean work. My boys always do a great job. We appreciate everything they do. Here's the gigantic muffler that was on it. Right there, single in, dual out. And there's the resonator and intermediate pipe. So you can tell from how squished up it is, we now let it flow a lot more. There it is, out one side. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and what? Subscribe.
Better know it. Come through and shop with them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got one under there chilling. Go ahead. Much better. You can see with 2.5 inches deep, no rasp. Nice. Very, very nice. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 106. Nissan Altima straight pipe, 2.5-inch high flow cab. Wow, that sounds nice. It's nice. I like the 2.5 system. Here's sound decibels. Right at 114. 15. Heck yeah. Again. Go ahead. Look at my boy Juan chilling under this huge truck. You can see his hands right there. Throwing up gang signs. Anyways, got us a crowd watching. Small crowd. We even work on big trucks, guys, see? Cintas. Shout out to Cintas. Oh, so much better. Evil Energy, baby. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Evil Energy. Not bad at all for a 4-cylinder. That's crazy. Sounds deep.